Hello guys, today we are going to create this Visual Basic simple form using Visual Studio 2012 Express version. So let's see how we do it. Okay, first of all I open the new file, new project. Then I select Windows Form application. Then you can choose your any name what you want. So I select the default one, Windows application 1, select OK. Okay, then you can see form 1 created. Now I'm scale this one. Okay, first of all we want to rename mark sheets. It's so simple. Click here and click the form, and you can see mark sheet. Mark sheet. Okay, then you can see the result here. Now the mathematics, physics, chemistry, and you can see the button text is compute, total marks, and average. These are the labels 1 2 3 4 and 5. There are 5 labels here. So let's create the labels. Label 1, and you can simply copy and paste here, and also you can use Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, now add these texts: mathematics, copy, select the label 1, and you can see the text. Label 1, replace here mathematics, and you can see the result, and physics. Ctrl C, select the label 2, rename it, and chemistry. Ctrl C, like this. Okay, total marks. Ctrl C, select label 4, average. Ctrl C, select label 5 and click Ctrl key, average. Okay, then we add button. It's simple. You can see the button here, and button name is text is compute. Ctrl C, I copy, then you can see the replace here. Okay, now we want text box, 5 text box. Okay, 1, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This is the text box 3, text box 4, text box 5. Select the text box, and you can see the here the font. Select the font, click the small icon, and select the font size is 40. I think is might be 12. Okay, 12 is enough. Okay, This is the form we created. Okay, now this is the logic. If we add the mathematics marks, physics marks, chemistry marks here, and when we click the compute button, it should be display this text in this text box. Will be displaying total marks, and this text box will be show the average marks. Okay, let's how we do it. First of all, click the compute button, then you can code like this. Okay, mathematics, physics and chemistry, these should be a double, because when we click the compute, this average should be a percentage, like 3.5, 4.5, 10.5, like this. Okay, so first of all, dim maths as double. Okay, dim phy physics, it's short. I showed the numbers. Okay, dim chemistry ch as double. Okay, now maths equal to mathematics equal max equal to, this is the text box 1. Okay, and you can see here design, in the design view, text box 1, name is the text box 1. Okay, text box 1 dot txt, and phy equal to text box 2 txt, ch also text box 3 text. Okay, now let's equal to these text box to that get total marks, and this text box will get to the average mark. Okay, total wait. Okay, text box 4 text equal to math plus phy plus ch. That's all. Then text box 5 dot text equal to, in the bracket, maths plus phy plus ch, and we want to divide it in 3 because there is only 3 subject here. Okay, let's save it and run it. If we get the mathematics have 10 marks, physics have 10 marks, and chemistry have 10 marks, then you can see the total mark is 30 and average is 10. Okay, let's we checked this program should be working with the float numbers. Okay, mathematics is